In today's video, I'll show you how to write a cover letter on Teal. First, open your browser and go to Teal's official website. Make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you're on the home page, click Resume Builder on the left side and select the resume you want to use. Next, click Cover Letter. Here, you can customize your cover letter by choosing the length and tone. You can also select key statements from the job description to give the AI more context. Simply check the boxes that match your preferences. If needed, you can enter a custom prompt to provide additional instructions. Then choose the AI model you want to use. For example, you can select Claude Sonnet 4.5, which is a recommended free option. After that, click Apply. The AI will begin generating your cover letter. Once it's finished, you can review the content, make edits, copy it, or export it for use in your job application. And that's it. That's how you write a cover letter on Teal.